I felt that in my chest.
I guess it is sighted in.
I don't know. Sure.
Probably not. Hey, a fucking broken clock's right twice a day.
All right, let's go. We gotta go check it out. We gotta look. No, we set it flat on the grass.
Yeah, it was in the grass. That didn't seem like it did real well.
It didn't. Well, I think it has something to do with the fact that it's just in the open. I don't think you can have too much. Oh yeah, it is fucking A. Look at that. Woo!
Take a picture of that. Walk up on it.
Hey, it left a crater.
That's a fucking hole, dude.
That's a hole, dude.
That would fucking just annihilate a fucking human being. Dude, you see that metal post? That was
Yeah.
a straight post. Monte taped one of those.